Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on a PRO25 professional workshop battery charger and power supply. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When the PRO25 is powered up, the green power LED lights up along with an orange LED that corresponds to whichever mode the unit was in the last time it was switched off. If this is the first time you've used the charger, it will be in normal mode. After you've selected the right mode that matches the type of battery, the PRO25 gets to work. During the charging process, each of these 4 LEDs will light up at different stages, depending on whether you're charging a lead acid battery or a lithium battery. A couple of these LEDs will mean different things. For lead acid batteries, the first LED checks to see if the battery is sulfated. If it is, the PRO25 uses its desulfation program to safely remove the harmful sulfate. There's no desulfation program in lithium mode, but when the first LED is lit in both lithium and normal modes, the PRO25 is making sure that the battery can actually take the charge. This stops the charger from trying to charge a defective battery. When the second LED is lit, the PRO25 is using the maximum current to bring lead acid batteries up to 80% capacity or 90% for lithium batteries. The third LED shows the PRO25 is charging the battery up to 100% capacity for lead acid batteries and up to 95% capacity for lithium batteries. When this LED lights up, the battery is ready to use. At this stage, the PRO25 will also check to make sure the battery can hold its charge. If it can't, the battery might need to be replaced. When the fourth LED lights up, the battery is fully charged, and if the recon mode has been selected, this process will now start if it's connected to a lead acid battery. If the PRO25 is left connected, it'll safely maintain the battery to keep it fully charged. During this stage on a lithium battery, the charger is delivering the last 5% of charge before entering maintenance mode. Now, like all CTEK battery chargers, the PRO25 charger is extremely safe and reliable. It's splash and dust proof. It's also short circuit proof, and if you accidentally touch the clamps together, it won't spark. But if the red error LED on the top left of the charger lights up, there are a few things you'll need to double check. Are the clamps the right way round? Red on the positive terminal and black on the negative terminal, or to ground or earth? Is the battery you're charging a 12-volt battery? If the charging process has been stopped at the first LED, it means the battery could be seriously sulfated. If it stops at the second LED stage, it means the battery won't accept the charge. If it stops at the third LED stage, it means the battery can't keep its charge. In all of these cases, the battery might need to be replaced. But if you're still unsure, try the charger on a battery that you know is working to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about the PRO25 professional workshop battery charger and power supply. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.